What's going on? It's the Ylod of death. We don't have our heat gun, so you know we're blowtorching it. As you can see, you don't keep it on there constantly. You don't have to wait 15 minutes. You do it in 15 seconds.
Gotta be quick at it. Set that motherfucker on fire.
And if you don't think this method will work, we just fixed this one here on the floor. Bam! Scorching to the touch.
We'll do a little bit more. We want this one to last a little bit longer.
Yeah, both of my PS3s unfortunately went out.
Oh shit, that motherfucker hot. Alright, then once you do that, you want to cool it down real fast because it's already solid melted. You get this, just put it on cool, and just hit it real quick, cool it down.
And just hit the cool button on the blow jar. Bam.
So, you do this for like maybe about 5 or 10 minutes. Then you just put your paste on there and put it back together. The heat gun, you got a real good one, let it get up to about 400, 500. You got a real good one, you want that bitch at 700. Shit, I said fuck that. I want 1,000. I got the torch out. I want the motherfucker to stay working.
And as you can see, we just put this one together and it's fully functional. All right.